So in this video, I'm gonna show you how to factory reset your HP Omen Transcend 14. In order to factory reset it, click on the start button, go into settings. Of course, this video is gonna be for those that have access to their user account. If you don't have access, then most probably the best method will be to watch a video on our channel on how to install Windows from USB onto your Omen Transcend 14, because it'll simply show you how to do it even if you don't have access to your user account. But if you have, then the more convenient, easier and more secure way is go to Windows Update, then in settings, of course, then go to advanced options and find recovery. Then reset this PC, click on reset PC, and you can select whether you want to keep your files or remove everything. I think it's best to remove everything because it actually clears your system and resets it, not just only uninstalls the apps. Then you can select cloud download or local reinstall. If everything is working on your system, then you don't need to select cloud download, but if something is corrupted, then you may want to set that so it just installs a fresh copy. I'm gonna select local reinstall. Then you can also change settings, and there is a very important setting which says clean data. If you enable it, it may take even hours, but will make it more secure, since it will be much harder to recover files. If you're, for example, selling your laptop, then I would highly recommend setting that to yes. But I'm gonna set it to no to make this process quicker, and also I'm just not planning on setting this laptop right now, so I'm just gonna click on next. Then I need to plug it into power and not unplug it until the process is finished. So now I have it plugged into power, then let's wait a few seconds and click on reset. Now just wait until it prepares and resets. And now your laptop is reset, so it's ready to be set up. And that's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.